Hey, this is Brian Gamardella with MarineMax of Huntington. Today, I'm going to show you the Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport.
This Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport is equipped with a Mercury 40 horsepower engine, bow rail package. You have a bimini top here. Comes with a trailer. This is a great boat for zipping around the harbor, getting around the bay, being used as a tender. These interior grab rails are very convenient and come in handy. Got small storage here. Got a nice forward cleat in case you want to throw an anchor. Comes with a tow eye. Got two rear cleats under the engine and a foldable swim ladder. If you're interested in this boat, contact us at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.